Now we are going to study question from December 2019 exam, question 3. Okay. So everyone, please give the heading. December 2019 exam, question 3. Okay. Everyone, give the heading. December 2019 exam, question 3. Now this is very interesting question, guys. Okay. A body is fired vertically upward from a ground level. Okay. Please everyone try to see the scenario. What they have mentioned in the question. A body is fired vertically upward from ground level with an initial velocity of 36 meters per second. Okay. So one body is fired vertically upward within some velocity. At this same instant, second body is allowed to fall from a rest at a height of 170 meter from a 170 meter above the ground level. Okay. Try to see the scenario here. Means here, guys, try to observe the drawing here. Everyone try to observe the scenario. So this is what our ground level. Everyone, this is what our ground. Okay. This is what our ground. Okay. This is what a ground. Then at a 170 meter, okay, there is another level. Okay. So from the ground, guys, try to see the scenario. A body is fired vertically upward from a ground level with an initial velocity of 36 meters per second. Okay. So for first body, what will be the initial velocity? 36 meters per second. So, okay. So one body is fired vertically upward. Okay. Try to see the scenario here. Don't write anything. Don't do anything. Okay. So first body is fired vertically upward. Okay. From the ground. Okay. With the initial velocity is, we will say u1. Okay. Try to see the scenario here. Now the next point is what here? What they are saying? At the same instant, whatever the time we are fired first body, with the same instant we are throwing the second body. Okay. At the same instant, second body is allowed to fall from a rest. Okay. What is meant by allowed to fall from a rest? Allowed to fall from rest. Okay. See the scenario. At the same instant. Okay. See the point. At the same instant that a second body is allowed to fall from a rest. Okay, allowed to fall from a rest from a height of 170 meters above the ground level. Okay, means from what height, everyone? From what height? Okay, try to see the point here. From what height? 170 meters. Okay, so from the ground level. Okay, see the point here, everyone. See the point here. Don't write anything. Don't do anything. Just observe the things. Okay, so from the ground level, how much will be the height? So this height will be what? What will be this height, everyone? Can anyone tell me? 170 meters. Okay. So second body is allowed to fall from a rest from a height of 170 meters. So when allowed to fall from a rest means what? Falling from a rest. So what will be the initial velocity of the second body? So initial velocity of the second body, we will say it as what we will say? U2. What we will say? U2. So U2 will be what? What will be the initial velocity of the second body, everyone? 0 meter per second. 0 meter per second. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario here. Now, so fall from a height of what? Okay. So it is going down. So its initial velocity is what? U2. Okay, try to see the scenario here. Okay. Just observe the things. Okay. Now I am going to read the question further. What the question further want to say? Okay. A body is, okay. Now, what they are asking us in the A part? Calculate the elapsed time. Okay. See the point. In A part, what they are asking us? Okay. What they are asking us? Calculate each of the following. Okay. So in part A part, what we have to calculate? The elapsed time to the point at which both the bodies passes each other. Means what, guys? What will happen? First bodies will go like this. Second body will go like this. At some instant, they will pass each other. You got the meaning of passing? Two trains passing each other, two cars, two vehicles passing each other. Okay. So what will it means? This means what? This is what a passing level. Okay. See the point here, everyone. So this level is what? Passing level. Okay. So what they are asking us in the question, at what time both the bodies pass each other? Okay, I will read exactly what they are saying. What they are asking us, the elapsed time to the point at which both the bodies pass each other. Means at what time? Okay, means first body starting from this point, from the ground. Second body starting from this point. Okay, see the point here, everyone. And at some level they will pass each other, and they are starting at the same time. In earlier question, first body and second body, though they are starting at the same level, but there is a difference in some time. Okay, but here what is the scenario here? Both the bodies, what is the speciality of here, guys? What is the speciality here? Both the bodies are starting at the same time. So they are asking us at what time. Okay, in how much time will take, means from how much time first body will reach other at this level, passing level, at how much time second body will reach at the passing level. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario here. Now guys, observe the scenario here for first body. Now my question is, can we apply equation of motion in gravitational field in this scenario? Can we apply equation of motion in gravitational field in this scenario? Yes, we can apply, because on both the bodies, which force will act only? Only gravitational force. Okay, which force will act? Okay, now the next point is here. Everyone try to see the scenario here. Important discussion. This is what, guys? What is this? Point of projection of second body. Point of projection of what? Second body. Try to see the scenario. What is this? Okay. Point of, you got the meaning of point of projection? Point of projection of what? Second body. And what is meant by this one, everyone? What is meant by this one? Okay. What is meant by this one, everyone? Point of projection of what? Point of projection. See, what is meant by point of projection? Point of projection means what, guys? Starting point, where we are throwing the object, okay? Or from where object is falling, okay? Try to see the scenario, starting point. Okay, so point of projection of what? First body, everyone try to see the scenario. Very, very important discussion. Okay. Now you got the what they are asking us in the A part. In A part they are asking us elapsed time. Okay, at what time they will pass each other. Okay, in how much time they will pass each other. Means first body is starting from here. Okay, at 0th second. At what time they will, both the bodies, means both the bodies starting from the same point, means same instant. Means here this is going up. Okay, try to see the point here. Means this is going up. This is what, guys? This is going up. This is going down. And here see at this instant they are both the bodies passing each other. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario. So what is our target in A part? In A part, what we have to find out? We have to find out elapsed time. Okay, so they are passing each other. At what time they will, after what, how much time they will pass each other. Okay, guys, try to see the scenario here, everyone. Okay, now for first body, okay, don't write anything, don't do anything. For first body, so we know, guys. So what is here? We can apply what we can apply? Equation of motion in what? What we can apply here? Equation of motion in what? Gravitational field. Equation of motion in gravitational field. So we can apply equation of motion in gravitational field. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario here. Okay, equation of motion in gravitational field. Okay. Now the next point is here. So we know y is equal to ut minus half gt square. This is one equation in gravitational field. Y is equal to ut minus half gt square. Okay. So displacement of the first body. Y means what? What is the meaning of y? Y stand for what? Vertical displacement. What is the meaning of y? Vertical displacement. Okay. So y will be equal to, we will say y1 will be equal to what? What is initial velocity, guys? First body. What is the initial velocity of first body? Everyone, can anyone tell me? What will be the, how much initial velocity of first body? u1 is equal to 36 meter per second. And what is the initial velocity of second body? 0. Why 0? Because it is starting from a rest. So 0. Okay, guys, everyone try to observe the things. It is visible to everyone. Okay, Okay, good. So 36 T. Observe the same. 36 T minus half. G is how much? 9.81 T square. So Y1 36 T. How much, guys? 9.81 divided by 2. How much, guys? 4.905 T square. Okay, good. Now try to see the scenario. See, guys, try to see the point. This Y1 means what? What is meant by Y1? Okay, what is meant by Y1? Vertical displacement of what? Vertical displacement of first body. Okay. Now, can you tell me what will be the value of Y1? Is it positive or negative? What will be the value of Y1 will come, guys? What will be the value of Y1 will come? Positive or negative? Guys, while discussing, positive or negative? Positive. Okay, guys, value of Y1 is what? Positive. Okay. Now, so distance traveled by, so therefore, guys, try to see the scenario here. Distance traveled by first body. Guys, why Y1 will come positive? Guys, in our theory, I discuss sign convention for vertical displacement. While discussing our theory, we discuss sign convention for vertical displacement. I am explaining you once again. Suppose this is what a point of projection. This is what a suppose point of projection. You got the meaning of point of projection? Point of projection means starting point. Okay. This is what a point of projection. If our object is at this location, okay, then this distance will be what? This distance will be what, guys? Our Y. And Y value will be what? Positive. Okay. Now the another scenario. If this is what a point of projection, try to see the point. Here this discussion is very, very important. After this question, we will take some few more questions. Okay. From that you will get more point. But this concept is very, very important. If point of projection, so this distance, suppose this distance is what? Just assume this distance is 10 meter. Okay. This distance, our final point is this one. So in this scenario, Y will be how much? 10 meter. Okay. But point of projection is here and final point is below the point of projection, and distance from between these 2 points will be what, guys? Again 10 meter. So what will be the Y in this scenario? What will be the Y in this scenario? Minus 10 meter. Minus 10 meter. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? But in this scenario, how much distance traveled by the here? Distance traveled is a 10 meter. Okay. Distance traveled is how much, guys? In this scenario, object is going from this point to this point. Okay. And here object is going from this point to this point. So in this scenario, distance traveled is 10 meter. In this scenario is also distance traveled is 10 meter. But during calculation, here we have to take vertical displacement. Y is equal to 10 meter. But in this scenario, what we have to take? Y is equal to, what we have to take, everyone? Minus 10 meter. Okay. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? Why is it like that? Any doubt in this discussion? Though distance traveled is same here. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? So in one scenario, but here our point of projection for first body is this one. And our final point means our passing level. See the scenario here. Our passing level is above the point of projection. So this value will come what? What will come, guys? Automatically value of Y. This value of Y1 will come what? Positive. Guys, try to see the point here. Guys, see, because our point of Y1 is what? Suppose this is Y1 distance. Okay. So this Y1 value is always what will come? Positive. So distance traveled by first body will be equal to what? Will be equal to what? Y1. And Y1 will be equal to what? 3060 minus 4.905 T square. Any doubt in this discussion, guys? Any doubt in this distance? So whatever the value of Y, in this scenario, Y1 is positive. And why Y1 is positive here? Why Y1 is positive? Because our our final point, this passing level point is above the point of projection. So y1 is positive. So whatever the distance traveled is the same as the y1. Okay guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario here. Now the next important point is for the second body. That is quite interesting, and for that purpose I explained all this scenario that we discuss in our theory. So please try to see the scenario here. For second body, observe everyone. Try to see the point here. This is very important discussion. Understanding concepts are very important. So now the next point is what guys? For second body, as usual, second body is also satisfy what? Equation of motion in gravitational field. Equation of motion in gravitational field, because on the second body also only gravitational force will act, no other force, because here we are assuming negligible air resistance. What we will assume guys? Negligible air resistance. Try to see the scenario here. So y is equal to what? Ut minus what? Half gt square. Try to see the point here. So for the second body, so it will become y2. Initial velocity of the second body is how much everyone? 0. Okay, very good. So initial velocity is 0 minus half into into 9.81 into t square. So y2 will become what? Minus 4.905 t square. Now guys, observe this equation, everyone. Observe this expression. Observe this expression. So from this expression, what you can conclude guys? What we can conclude? From this expression, what we can conclude? Anyone can tell me? Here, this vertical displacement of the second body will be what guys? Vertical displacement of the second body will be what? Always negative. See, t square means whatever the time we can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will be the scenario guys? So whatever the value, suppose if you put 1 minus 4.905, whatever the value we will put, what will come? It will come negative. Okay guys, are you getting my point? Means same scenario here. But if you want a distance traveled, so therefore distance traveled by, guys try to see the point here. Distance traveled by what? Distance traveled by what? Second body. What will be the distance traveled by second body? Can anyone tell me? Distance traveled by second body. Can anyone tell? Okay, only 4.905 means can I write minus y2? Means if you multiply y2 by minus, then we will get a positive value, because in this scenario y2 value will be what? It is negative. And if you want the value of negative in positive, how to get the negative value in positive? To multiply by it by minus. Okay guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario here. Anyone have any doubt in this discussion? So guys, anyone have any doubt in this discussion? Why I have multiplied y2 by minus? Because y2 will come in negative, and if you want y2 in positive, what we have to do? Guys, what we have to do? We have to multiply by means, see, minus 10. If you multiply minus 10 by minus, what we will get? Plus 10. Positive. Okay, the same scenario I have done here. Means here y2 is we are getting negative, and to get the positive value, what we have to do? And why we need a positive value? Whatever the positive value we are getting, that positive value will be the distance traveled by the second body. Okay guys, and now 1 minute, now wait for 1 or 2 minutes. I will tell you why we are calculating distance traveled. What is the reason behind it? Okay, very simple scenario. So minus y2, and then what will be the scenario? Minus guys, minus 4.905 t square. So minus plus, so what will it become? 4.905 t square. So this will be what? This will be expression for distance traveled by what? This will be expression for what guys? What? Second body. Okay, this expression will be what? Distance traveled by second body. Okay, very good. Guys, any doubt in this discussion? Distance traveled by first body will be directly y1. Why it is directly y1? Because? Why because? Guys, why directly y1? Because our passing level is above the point of projection. And but second body, for the second body point of projection is this one. So below this point, guys, try to see the scenario here. Okay, try to. So Passing level is below the point of projection. Guys, try to observe the things. Okay, everyone. Now we are nearer to our answer. Guys, don't write anything. Listen my words carefully. Understanding the concepts in mechanics very, very important. Okay, guys, any doubt, discussion? Guys, any doubt in this discussion? Please observe the things. Okay, good. You got this expression? You got this expression? Any doubt in both the expression, guys? This expression, distance traveled by first body and distance traveled by second body. Okay, good. Now, why I calculated expression for distance traveled by first body and distance traveled by second body? For this purpose, observe this drawing. For the purpose, observe this drawing. If you observe this drawing, distance traveled by first body plus distance traveled by second body will be equal to what, guys? At the passing level, guys, at the passing level, okay? So, everyone, try to observe the point. At the passing level, what we can say? Distance traveled by first body. So, this will be what? From here to here, distance traveled by first body. From here to here, distance traveled by second body. So, what their summation? What will be their summation, guys? Observe the drawing. 170. No. Y1 plus Y2 not. Means distance traveled by first body plus distance traveled by second body will be equal to what, guys? This 170 meter. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? So Y1 plus Y2 no. Why Y1 plus Y2 is not? Because Y2 we are getting negative. Okay, Y1 plus minus Y2. Okay, try to see the scenario here. So distance traveled by, everyone, distance traveled by what? Distance traveled by what? First body. Okay, we are nearer to the answer. Distance traveled by what? Distance traveled by first body plus what, everyone? Distance traveled by what? Distance traveled by what? Second body will be equal to what, guys? 170 meter. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? Try to observe the things. Okay, so what will be the distance traveled by first body? Is this expression 3060 minus what, guys? 4.3060 minus 4. What, guys? Everyone, minus 4.905 t square plus distance traveled by second body will be what? 4.905 t square, and that will be equal to what, guys? 170. Okay, observe this one. This is first body expression, distance traveled by first body, and this is what? Distance traveled by what? Second body. Okay, good. So now this term minus, this is plus, so we can cancel. So what will remain? 3060 plus 1 equal to 170. Okay, guys, so time will be equal to what? 170 by 36. Very simple solution, guys. Okay, only few logic is here. Okay, everyone getting my point? Try to see the point here, everyone. Very simple question. Guys, please calculate 170 divided by 36. 4.72222 second. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? Everyone got this one? Anyone have any doubt? Does anyone have any doubt in this discussion? Please, guys, observe from the starting. Try to observe this drawing. Everyone, take a 1 or 2 minutes before writing. Don't write anything. Just observe the things on the board. Everyone, first of all, observe the things on the board. Okay, anyone have any doubt in this discussion? Anyone have any doubt in this expression? Anyone have any doubt in this expression? Okay, so guys, okay, good. So please, everyone, write down all these things. Everyone, please write down all these things. Okay guys, now try to see the scenario what they are asking us in the B part. The height above the ground at which they meet. Okay, means indirectly what they are asking us, the point at which the height above the ground at which they meet. Okay, very simple guys, height above at which they meet. Okay, height above the ground. Okay, see the scenario here, very simple discussion. So in B part what they are asking us, guys, okay, height above the ground. Okay, height they are asking, okay, above the ground at which they will meet. Okay, so whatever the value of, see, whatever this y1, this y1 will be what guys, what is this y1? Y1 will be what? The height above the ground level. What is this y1? Height above the ground level. So what is y1? Y1 is equal to what guys? 36t minus 4.905 t square. So y1 36t. At how much, at what time they are going to meet? They are going to pass each other. Okay, how much time guys, can anyone tell me? 4.722. we took triple 2 na everyone, minus 4.905 into 4.722 square. Okay, everyone try to see the scenario. Please do the calculation. Everyone please do the calculation. Please do calculation with me. This makes you perfect. So 36, 4.722 minus 4.905 into what? 4.722 square. What will be the guys? This one 60.18 unit meter. Okay, so at a height of what guys? At a height of what we can say? What we can say at a height of? At a concluding statement. At a height of what? At a height of 60.6218 meter above the ground level. Okay, above the ground, at which, at a height of 60.6218 meter above the ground, both the bodies meet. Both the bodies meet. Okay, anyone have any doubt in this discussion? Please guys, please let me know if you have any doubt or any suggestion for me. Time to time, please let me know if I have done any mistake. Please be careful in the class. So this is what our answer of the B part. Please everyone write down the B part. Okay, now guys try to read the C part. What they are asking us in the C part? Difference between the velocities. Okay, try to see the point. Difference between the velocities at which both the bodies hit in the ground. Both the bodies hit the ground. Okay, try to see the scenario here. In C part they are asking us difference in velocities when both the bodies hit the ground. Okay, what they are asking us in the C part? Very simple C part guys, not that much difficult. Okay, in C part what they are asking us? Difference in what guys? Difference in velocities when both the bodies what happened with both the bodies when both the bodies hit the ground. Okay, try to see the scenario. Difference in velocities, difference between the velocities at which both the bodies hit the ground. Okay, now what is meant by difference in velocities? Okay, so when both the bodies hit the ground. Okay, how first body will go guys? First body will start from here, will go up to what level it will go? Till its velocity will become 0, and again it will come to this point. Okay, try to see the scenario here. So for first body, for what? For first body. Okay, how first body will go guys? First body will start from this point. Till what level it goes? Till what level it goes first body guys? Till its velocity will become 0. When velocity will become 0, then it starts falling and again come to the same level. Okay, Now guys, my question for all of you. First body is going from this point, going top, okay? We don't know till what level. It will not go up to 170 meter. Huh? We don't know that level, okay? It will go up to some level where its velocity will become 0. Means like this, observe this pen. See this pen. This pen will go up to what level? Till its velocity will become 0. Observe this pen, huh, everyone. This pen is visible to everyone. Okay. So this pen will go up to what level? Till its velocity will become 0. And again it will fall back. Okay. Are you getting my point? The same scenario with the first body. Now when first body come to this point, come back to its initial point, what will happen? What will be its, when first body come back to its ground level, when first body come back to the ground level, what will be the vertical displacement of the first body? What will be the vertical displacement for first body? Okay. Okay. What will be the displacement of the first body? Can anyone tell me what will be the vertical displacement, guys? See, this is what our ground. Yes, it is 0, correct. Means it is again coming back, na guys? Starting from same level and it is coming back. So vertical displacement means what? What is meant by displacement? First of all, displacement means shortest distance between 2 points. What is meant by displacement, guys? Shortest distance between 2 points. Means if it is going from here and again coming from the same point, so what will be the vertical displacement? Means coming at the same level. It means what will be the vertical displacement for first body? Okay. What will be the vertical displacement, guys? 0. Why 0? Okay, for our reference I am drawing this drawing, starting from the same point and again coming at the same level. Okay, so there is no, everyone, are you getting my point? Try to see this drawing. This is for our reference. Okay, starting from the same and again coming at the same level. If it is coming at the same level, then there is no shortest distance between these 2 points. So vertical displacement is what? 0. Okay, initial velocity will be what, guys? Initial velocity will be what for the first body? 36 meter per second. Okay, so try to see the scenario here, everyone. V square is equal to U square minus 2GY. Okay, so V square, everyone, V square is equal to what? Okay, V square is equal to U square minus, this will term become 0 because here Y is 0. So what will be the velocity, guys? V is equal to become U. What will become, guys? V is equal to what will become? U. So what will be the scenario? So V will be equal to what? U. And so V will become 36 meter per second. Or you can avoid this calculation also, guys. No need to do this calculation because whatever the velocity is leaving, the same velocity with the same velocity, it will again come back. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario. You can avoid this calculation also. See, whatever the velocity with which leaving, it is leaving with the velocity 36 meter per second. Again, it is coming back at the same velocity 36 meter. It is a common logic. Okay, guys, means leaving at the 36 and hitting again back with the 36 meter per second. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? So you got this. So velocity of the second body is 36 meter per second. Now, interesting part is for the second body. What is interesting part, guys? Interesting part is for the second body. Try to see the scenario here for what, guys? Second body. Try to see the point here, everyone. So for second body, try to see the point here. So for second body, what will be the logic, guys? For second body, what will be the Y? Can anyone tell me? For second body, suppose this is what our ground. This is what our ground. And our second body is starting from at a distance of what? Everyone observe this drawing. Everyone observe this drawing. This distance is what? 170 meter. And it is starting from here. The second body is starting from with velocity, we will say U2. Okay. U. Okay. Now, guys, can you tell me what will be the value of Y? So this is what a point of projection. This is what a point of projection. Okay. Point of projection of the second body. Now our final point will be what? Below the point of projection. So this is what our final point. So what will be the value of Y in this scenario, guys? Can anyone explain me? What will be the value of y? No, wrong. It is not a 170 meter, guys. What will be the value of y? Minus 170 meter, guys. Here y is a vertical displacement and displacement has a sign convention. If it is below the point of projection, negative. If it at the same level of point of projection, 0. And it is above the point of projection, then positive. Guys, observe the things. So, good. So, minus 170 meter. Does anyone have any doubt in this minus 170 meter? Guys, anyone have any doubt in this 170 meter? Because our final point of the second body is below the point of projection by 170 meter. So, what will be the vertical displacement? Minus 170 meter. Okay. So, see the point here, everyone. So, initial velocity is what? Second body is 0 meter per second. So, try to observe the things here. Guys, very simple discussion and important also. So, our expression v square is equal to u square minus 2gy. Okay, try to see the point here. So, v square we don't know. So, we can write v is equal to what? Under root of what? U square minus 2gy. Okay, can we write like this, guys? So, v is equal to under root of u is 0 minus 2 into 9.81 into y is what? Minus 170. So, this minus will become what? Plus. Okay. So, v will be equal to what, guys? Under root of this minus plus. So, 2 into 9.81 into 170. So, please everyone calculate the value of v. Everyone please do the calculation. Into 9.81 multiplied by what, guys? 170. So, what will be the value, everyone? 57.7529 means 3. We can take it as meter per second. Okay. So, our final answer, guys. So, what will be the final answer? What will be the final answer? Difference in velocities. So, difference in velocities will be what, guys? Okay. So, here we have a hitting velocity 36. Here what we have? 57.753. So 57.753 multiplied, minus 36. What will be the answer, guys? Can anyone tell me? Unit? Meter per second. Okay, because it is a velocity, is difference in velocity. So this is what our answer of C part. Okay. Now what is the things we studied here? First thing we studied here, guys, if our object again coming at the same level, see, if our object, see, what are the things we studied in this C part? We studied 3 important points. First point we studied, if our object coming at the same level, what will be its vertical displacement? So here our object coming at the same level, it means our vertical displacement will be what? 0. Second point we studied is what? The velocity with which it is leaving. Then again it coming back with this same velocity, means here this object leaving with velocity of 36 meter per second. Object is again coming back at a velocity of 36 meter per second. Second point. Third point what, guys? If our final point is below the point of projection, then our vertical displacement will be in what, guys? Negative. And fourth point will be what? If our point of projection above the, our final point is above the point of projection. Suppose this is point of projection and our final point is above the point of projection, then vertical displacement will be what, guys? Vertical displacement will be positive. Okay, guys, try to see the point here. Everyone, anyone have any doubt in this discussion? Okay, good. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario here, everyone. Okay, good. So, what we have to do here? So, first of all, guys, give the C part heading. Okay, first of all, everyone, give the C part heading. Write down these points clearly. After that, guys, please everyone write down this point. Everyone. Please everyone. Now try to see the next point here. Everyone, try to see the next point here. So what they are asking us in the D part? In D part, they are asking us difference in time between the each body is hitting the ground. Okay. So in D part, what they are asking us, difference in time in each body is hitting the ground. Means first body will go, how it will go? it will go up, again come down. So we will calculate that time. Second body will start from 170 meter height and it again coming down. Okay, try to see the point here. So in D part, what they are asking us, difference in what, guys? Difference in time. Exact word is what? Difference in time between each body hitting the ground. So difference in time, okay, when both the bodies hitting the ground. Okay, try to see the point here. Very simple discussion, not that much difficult. So guys, try to see the point here. So here in D part, we have to find out what? Difference in time, okay, when both the bodies hitting the, okay. So for first body, as usual, we will start our discussion for first body. Everyone try to see the point. So for first body, what will be the first body? For first body, what will be the scenario? Vertical displacement will be what? When hitting 0. Initial velocity is what? 36 meter per second. Try to see this one scenario. So y is equal to ut minus half gt square. Okay. Try to see the point here. So what will be this vertical displacement? 0. U is how much? 36t minus half 4.9, sorry. G is how much? 9.81 into t square. Okay. Try to see the point here. So we can write it here. 4.905 t square minus 36t is equal to 0. Can we write like this? Guys, observe the scenario here, or I will make it as a simple only. So 0, 36t minus 4.905 t square. Okay, try to observe the scenario here. So we can take out t common here. So 0, we can take out t common here. 36 minus 4.905. Those who studied maths and what quadratic equation, okay. So here we will have two options. One option 36 minus 4.905 t equal to 0, or another option t equal to 0 according to this point, guys, in mathematics. And this scenario will be what? T equal to 0 means what? What will be this scenario? This t will be equal to means what? What will be this scenario? It is a starting level, okay, starting point. Guys, just observe these things, whatever I have written. For first body, when they are coming at the same level, y is what? 0. U is what? 36 meter per second. Y is equal to ut minus half gt square. Now guys, from this expression, we can take out t common. Guys, observe this point, here everyone. Guys, visible to me, everyone? Now if you observe it, if you take out the t common, so here we have take out the t common, and then we can take this term equal to 0 or t equal to 0 according to quadratic equation in mathematics. So this means what? When our object initially, see, we have in two scenarios. At the initial point means when object is starting, means when t is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and when again y equal to 0, when object is again coming back. So at two time, what will be, guys? Y will be equal to 0. At two time, y is equal to 0. At 1, when t equal to 0, means when time is 0 second, then y is equal to 0, and again when y is equal to 0, when object is coming back. So this time will be equal to what, guys? This time will be equal to what, everyone? When object is coming back means from this level. Okay, try to see the scenario. So here t will be equal to what? 36 by what? 4.905. Okay, observe the things here, everyone. So 36 divided by what? 36 divided by what? 4.905. How much, guys? 7.33. How much? Second. Okay, everyone, my screen is visible to everyone. Okay, good. Okay, good. So we got what we got, guys? We got a time. Okay, for the first body, at this time, first body will hit the, means starting at the 0th second, and after 7.3394 second, it will again hit back to the ground. Now for the second body, Try to see the scenario here. For what, guys? For second body, what will be the scenario, guys? For second body, what will be the scenario? For second body, y is what? Minus 170 meter. Initial velocity is what? 0 meter per second. We have seen this one. 0 meter per second. Try to observe the things here, everyone. So y is equal to what? Ut minus half gt square. Okay. Try to observe the things here. Y is what? Minus 170. Initial velocity is 0. So this term will become 0. Minus half. G is what? 9.81 into t square. Okay. Observe the things here, everyone. So minus 170. So this will become 4.905 t square. So here we will have a minus will get cancelled. So t will become what, guys? For second body, at what time they will hit? Second body at time hit to the ground. 170 divided by what? 4.905. So what will be this time, everyone? Please calculate this time. Under root of 170 divided by what, guys? 4.905. How much, guys? 5.8871 second. So our final answer will be what? What will be the answer? Final answer of D part. Guys, anyone have any doubt in this discussion? First of all, in this discussion also? Okay, good, very good. So now the next point will be what, guys? Difference in time. So what will be the difference in time? So here, for the first body, 7.3394 minus what, guys? 5.8871. Okay. So please, everyone, 7.3394 minus 5.88. How much, guys? 71. How much, guys? 1.4523 second. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario here. So this is what a difference in time. Okay, please, everyone, any doubt in this discussion, guys? Please observe the things here. If you have any doubt, please ask me quickly. Okay, good. So please, everyone, this is what our D part answer.